thank you so much for popping in. It's me again, St. Doopsy, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this soft, creamy, yummy butter for my skin as well as my hair with just 3 butters. Guys, this butter melts right into skin, right into hair, like it's so beautiful. Let's get started. My first ingredient here is mango butter, which is a rich moisturizer. It has healing properties that helps with skin conditions, gentle on skin, suitable for sensitive skin. The fatty acid and vitamins makes it a great moisture-rich food for your hair. Followed by avocado butter, which acts as a humectant, which draws moisture to your skin and helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and it is rich in vitamins, protects skin against sun, so you can actually use your avocado as a sunscreen. It is also rich in fatty acid and vitamins, which makes it great for your hair as well. Now for the third one, this is shea butter, and at this point, if you don't know the benefits of shea butter, guys, okay, I'm giving you this as an assignment. Go Google it, yo. Moving on to my oils, the first one here is flaxseed oil, which helps with itchiness and acne, and it is loaded with omega-3 fatty acid. Same goes with neem oil, which is so great for skin and also heals skin because of its anti-inflammatory properties. I am using lavender oil as a fragrance, and you know it's help with anxiety, insomnia, depression, and restlessness. Now the next one here is vitamin E oil, which is like an essential oil in cosmetics production. Now the last one here is castor oil, which is good for your skin as it is for your hair. Now I'm going to combine all the butters in one bowl and melt it with heat. You can do this using the double boiler method. So let it cool down, then add oils. I'm going in with my castor oil first, followed by my neem and flaxseed oil. Take this into the refrigerator to stay in there for 20 minutes. So this is what my butter looks like after 20 minutes in the refrigerator. So I'm going to give it a very good stir to break it up. Then go ahead to add my lavender oil. I'm going to use 2 of that, then use 1 of that vitamin E oil, then give it a very good stir. If you can continue with this, fine. If you have a whip, use it. If you have a mixer, use it. And if this is what you have, a stick blender, use it. Now take it back to the freezer and let it sit there for another 20 minutes, then bring it back out. This is what it looks like after 20 minutes. So I'm going to break it up again. Now it is harder, but it is still soft in the inside. So I'm going to give this a very good stir, and like I said the other time, if you can whip this, whatever you have, just use it to break it whole. You're going to continue doing this till it is completely smooth, and when you are satisfied with what you have, it is time to dispense inside your container of choice, your cup of choice. So I'm just going to scoop my butter right into that cup. Now I know this looks so soft, like super soft, but it's going to solidify with a texture that is so soft, like it's not going to be so hard. It will never be hard. So with this method of melting it completely, putting it in the fridge, taking it out, whipping it, this is the result of all of that process. So yeah guys, this is how I make my soft, yummy, luscious, penetrating butter that is so perfect for both my skin and for hair. I like to make my products in 2-in-1. If I'm making my black soap shampoo, I like to make it in such a way that I can also use it for shower. So if I'm making my butter too, I want to be able to use my butter for skin, not just for hair. So I like making my products in a 2-in-1 way. It's so perfect. So here I'm using it to twist my hair. Guys, you can see it's It looks so good. That is it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of it, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you like this video and also share with friends and families. Thank you so much for watching again, guys. All my old subscribers and new subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you for supporting me. Yeah, guys, I got to go now. Thank you so much again. I can't thank you guys enough. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.